PicoGram. There are 4 adults in the household. This is after 3 months, 6 months. So basically you don't need to change every 3 months. You can change it every 6 months. Still looks very clean. This is the filter 2. It's supposed to change every 6 months, which I think you can change it every 9 months. And the filter 3 and 4, you can change it maybe 15 months. Don't have to follow if it's for household, in the household, working adults. So if there's 8 people, you need to follow the instruction every 3 months. So basically that's it.